You are looking for an easy way to improve the performance of your C# application? Well, I got you covered. Take a look at this. This is probably something you do on a daily basis. String concatenation, easily done in C# with the plus operator. But you have to be careful. String concat with the plus operator can be a massive performance killer for your C# application. Why is that? Well, because strings in C# are immutable, meaning that each concatenation creates a new string instance in memory, leading to increased memory allocation and garbage collection. If you're concatenating a large number of strings in a for each loop, for example, this can be problematic. In such scenarios, it makes sense not to use the plus operator and to use C# StringBuilder instead. StringBuilder allocates memory for buffer space once and writes new characters directly to that buffer, minimizing memory allocation and garbage collection overhead. So the plus operator example would look like this with StringBuilder. But how much of a performance difference does it actually make? I wanted to know, so I ran some tests with benchmark.net. I did simple string concatenations in loops with the plus operator and the StringBuilder for 100, 1000 and 100,000 concatenations respectively. And these are the results, and they are just wild. Even with only 100 concatenations, you can see such a big difference that I really did not expect, to be honest. And of course, the higher the number of concatenations, the bigger the difference. So, does this mean that you should no longer use the plus operator for string concatenation? Absolutely not. For simple operations, the plus operator is still safe and sufficient, but for scenarios involving a large number of concatenations or repeated string modifications, you should definitely use the StringBuilder. That's it, no more, no less. If you're interested in such performance comparisons, I also made a video where I did some benchmarks for C# dictionaries. Feel free to watch this video next. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Bye.